Okay, what does that say? That says DJ Osmo audio transmitter. That's what it says. Good morning. It is Sunday at 11:37 p.m. PM, and it's raining. There's like today, tomorrow, and I think that's it for rain. I'm just gonna go, per usual, go look for food. I'm actually gonna go grocery shopping and buy enough stuff to last me like today or tomorrow. So gonna do the normal walk that I usually do, head north, and there's a supermarket not too far away. Got the neck mount again because it is raining. Yeah, I was slipping last night holding the DJI Osmo, and if that thing falls and breaks, that's a very expensive camera that's just gone. Whereas this thing can fall and bounce and somebody can kick it and body slam it and it's fine. So let's head out. It looks like the rain just started, or maybe it had finished. But we'll see if I can survive without slipping. Yeah, I'm so traumatized by wet roads like this. I haven't fallen yet. I don't think I've ever in my life like slipped and fell, besides on snow in Japan, but you know, it's gonna happen eventually, huh? But yeah, I'm pretty hungry, but I'm not heading deep into the city to solve that. I'll try to see if I can find something near here, and then if not, like worst case scenario, I just cook. There's nothing wrong with that. I have not cooked since I've been to Spain, but I'm going to try to make empanadas. Never made them before. Apparently there's like ready-made dough. Don't know what type of filling, but I mean, I can just do whatever I want, right? I'm making them. And then I might just do the old classic bolognese. We'll see. We'll see. I walked down this street, I think, last night. Oh yeah, you can't see. But yeah, it's not raining. There's blue skies. I guess I'm having a major war between my weather app and actual weather. Oh wait, I've got to cross. Oh, I can cross over here. And then the market's on the left side. I shouldn't have crossed over here. Comidas para llevar. Llevar, I don't know. Oh, it's just like huge plates of paella. Jesus. Yeah, I might have to. There's literally Domino's pizza over there. I see a lot of people walking their dogs here. And you just saw a runner. There's a lot of people who care about their health. So I see a lot of people running and jogging, men, women. And despite the rain and it being a bit cool, it's night and day difference between here and Portugal. without the humidity, it's not so bad. I don't know if you just saw a red Mitsubishi Eclipse went by. I thought, I'm a bit of a car guy. I thought that car only sold in America and Mexico. So I'm wondering if they imported it over. I don't think those cars came to Europe. It used to be my dream car to get was the GST, the turbocharged version. But yeah, seeing that particular model of Mitsubishi Eclipse is kind of unique and interesting here. Oh man. I had a nice morning. I uploaded, or I'm currently uploading as we speak, the next 3 videos. So they are going to air, you're gonna have already seen them, but December 29th, 31st, and January 2nd. Oh, here's the supermarket I wanted to go to. I don't know if they're gonna have everything though, because I need meat, like ground beef. Jesus, it's so bright. Let's see if they have everything. Hola. All right, there's microwave pasta. I want to cook though. Capri Sun. There. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna find like beef. They have everything else though, so all the ingredients, trash bags, drinks, coffee. Yeah, I need meat. So I might need to go to a butcher. I think that might be how it's done here. So the good thing about it being later, most things open up in 15 minutes in the city. I think there's another market right there. I think I saw that market yesterday. I do want to go here too. They have I think it's like all Valencian alcohol, liquors. Yeah, all these drink places crack me up. They've got like a slot machine in the front. Okay, now this looks like not like a supermarket, but like a arts and crafts. I've seen something like this before. Huh. Santiaki. It sounds like a spaceship from this game that I play on my gaming channel. I think like 2 people watching this might know about that. All right, well, I'm gonna keep walking down my familiar street, and I hope I don't end up all the way downtown. I can stop that by searching, but I just want some food. I know what I can do. The place where I got the ham and cheese croissant, I can go back there and buy like 4. One was great, not super filling, but I think 4 might last me like 2 days, maybe 3. The best thing was the pizza that I got. It's like thinner crust pizza, Roman style. They, that thing is super good. But it's also like way deep downtown. And if I'm going all the way out there, I have no plans. It's just a normal Sunday for me. I finish uploading videos. I have nothing else to do. I've edited videos for like probably the next month. But as far as uploading them, that'll happen when it happens. Today is a beanie day. Got my beanie on. Ooh, there's a pizza place. No, I passed the pizza place. What is this? Chick Shack? Oh, it's in English. Whoa, they have fries? Poutine? Cebolla is onion. Crujiente, is that like crispy onion? And cebollino it sounds like another form of onion. Huevo hilado, so it's something egg. I don't know if I want, wait a minute, garlic parm fries? Yeah, all of this sounds great. Yeah, I'm gonna eat here. I'm gonna stop recording and I'm gonna go eat, and I'll see you inside. All right. I don't know if there's warning. There's some warning on here. I just ate. Luckily, I didn't walk like all the way to downtown. I'm literally like 2 blocks away from my Airbnb. But I am stuffed. It's this place called Chick Shack. They specialize in chicken, but they've got beef burgers and a bunch of other stuff. But I got garlic parm fries and nachos. Nachos were not great. I know Spanish can't do nachos now. Not the way I maybe I'm used to. And but I got these garlic parm fries, which were topped with bacon bits and onion and chives. That was excellent. When I asked for my bill, he gave me a little small bowl of sour candy, which was an awesome way to kind of finish that meal up. And the place was playing disco music videos the whole time. Although at the beginning, there was this AI video on loop of like people playing jazz in different places and times. It was very obviously AI. All of the people were like real. Excuse me, I am absolutely stuffed. And I had 3 Radlers. Radlers are like it's a German drink. It's like half beer, half lemonade. It's only like 2%. I don't even have like a slight buzz, but am I stuffed? I am so stuffed. Apparently all the markets that sell meat are closed until tomorrow. So I'm probably just gonna go back and crash or play games or something. Maybe I'll stream some games. But yeah, I am stuffed. It's 1:10 p.m. Now I know that place is good. I'll definitely be back. I want to try their other food, but the mood was good. The guy who was helping me, I told him I don't speak in Spanish. I told him my Spanish is más o menos, not so great. But I asked him for a menu in English and he gave me one. But he took my order and he was asking me a few things in Spanish and I was able to answer. So I guess he kept it within like a understandable range for me. Or I understand more than I think. I don't think it's that though. But the disco music was keeping it super fun. I had to Shazam a few songs. Maybe I'll try to do a little remixing. I know the place is good because right before I was leaving, locals were starting to fill up. I saw 3 or 4 groups come in. A lot of people are on these scooters. At least I know with scooters I'm not going to slip unless I like hit the brakes too hard. Yeah, there's like dog shit right in the middle of the if I just kept walking straight. This city has the most. I know like LA has the same or more. I don't think I'm gonna go to that grocery store. I don't think I need I don't need any alcohol. I don't need any Prime. I've been using Prime to like hydrate. But I think I'm good for now. Especially it's like 1, I can go chill for a long time. This place is open until midnight. So if I need anything last minute, it's half a block away from where I'm at. Staff is super friendly. If you're ever in this area, definitely go by there and say what's up. They all speak English. Now today is what I like to call like a movie day or just chill. It's a bit dark. It was sunny when I left. Now it's all overcast. It should have been raining the whole day if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's going to be raining until past noon tomorrow, so today I'll keep it light, and then tomorrow morning I'll go to the grocery store and buy some stuff to cook. Yeah, and that's just a little trip to get some food. And you know, I'm gonna walk down here just because it looks kind of cool. I'll do a little circle around and exit from a different way. I love these oranges. Let me say that again. I love these oranges on a large majority of the roads here. Oh, here's this area below my Airbnb. I wanted to see this. You know what? I heard something. It sounded like something fell from like high up and hit the ground here yesterday. It woke me up in the middle of my sleep. That makes me a little paranoid that something could just fall. Yeah, my Airbnb is up there somewhere. Okay. So this is the area. There's a Palestinian flag over there. I see that quite a bit. I could tell Spanish people or the people who live in Spain are quite rebellious. They're not afraid to speak up against what they believe in. And I see quite a lot of anti-establishment tagging, flags, posters, graffiti. And that looks like it's been here forever, so. Okay, so now I see what's going on. I walked by here the other night and I said, I don't know where my Airbnb is, but it's because it's protected by, not protected, it's blocked by this side of the building. So I wasn't able to see from my perspective. Oh, man. Oh, the dogs are busy over here. The dogs are busy. That meal absolutely filled me up. It got me 3 drinks. Like I said, they weren't strong, so I'm not like buzzing or anything. I'm not turnt. But it cost like 26 bucks. It was like 23 euros. And I'm like, I could probably flop onto my bed and pass out for a couple hours, maybe more. But yeah, just kind of maybe just walk it off a bit. I really like this neighborhood. I would absolutely, if I lived in Valencia, try to find a place over here. It's pretty cool, pretty local. I meet quite a few people who are, oh, this place might have meat. Let me go see really quick. This might change everything. Oh God, I'm trying to slip. I'm not trying to. They just have energy drink options galore. And there's like orange flavored Aquarius. That's crazy. Lots of soups. Olives, which we will never touch. Refrigerated coffees, more energy drinks, yogurt. Lots of yogurt, wow. Ice cream. Ooh. Are these like Christmas cakes? They smell really good, even in the freezer. Lots of sauces, salt, Caesar dressing from a, oh, here's why it smells like bread. There's a bread section. Here we go. Everything I need. So now that I know this is here, this is literally like right around the corner from me. So I am going to come back and do a proper look. Something tells me empanada dough is probably not here, but I know there's rice. I think it's over there. Used to make it from scratch, but I'm not gonna make it from scratch. Yeah, this place has everything. This is great. This is awesome. Olive oil. Nice, nice. I will definitely be back. You know, one thing I wanted to do, I should have bought like at least like a flag sticker or a small flag for, oh, this place is popular. Just all seen Spanish people, but again, this is right around the corner from where I'm at. I'm right over here, past this little scaffolding. Yeah, I think I ate myself to food coma. I'm gonna go dress down and get the heater on. Oh man, I'm describing it and it sounds so good and peaceful. The heater is just so comfortable. Feels great. It's a little difficult to, why is it open? Some Spanish things I hear sounds like Japanese, and I'm unable to, oh, it's open. It's already here. Oh man. Somebody's cologne, whoever was just in here, it smells great. I love smells. It smells so good. Or scents, fragrances. But the hallway where it just lets out, it's every day there's a bit of a mystery of what am I gonna smell. Most of the times it smells like good food, most times. But then you get a couple times where it smells like farts. It literally smells like somebody went into the stairwell and just farted. I'll be honest. And last night, twice, it smelled like that. Very different times. This morning it smelled great. Every other time it smelled great. But I have it has a new smell that's unlocked. So, but yeah, I'm stuffed. And I'm just thinking about the bed and just chilling. God. Yeah, that's it. I'll stop recording here before I head to my place. See ya. Like and subscribe. See ya. All right. Well, we are having a torrential thunderstorm suddenly. I just got an alert warning about flooding from like a few hours. I didn't even bring my phone, did I? Shit. Left my phone. I'm not trying to check out weather. I'm going grocery shopping. I have no water, no food, no drinks or anything because I didn't plan on there being this type of warning. So there's multiple options for me to go grocery shopping, like across the street and stuff, or down the street, around a corner. They're all like less than a minute away. So I'm gonna go look outside, and if it's like crazy, we'll see. But there were some deadly floods last year in Valencia. A lot of people did lose their lives. So I'm gonna take this very, very seriously. And all the lights off here, but yeah, there's no flooding here. There's a river to the south of me, but it's a bit far away. Yeah, I'll be fine. Look, there's people out. I'm not going to be overly cautious for no reason. I'm just going to prepare. Oh man, I almost slipped. Yep, I almost slipped again. I think I need to take bigger steps. That supermarket's literally around this corner, so you saw me go there earlier. I bet a bunch of people got that alert and they're like, yeah, let's go shopping. Prepare. I'm not even getting wet. Like, this is how close it is for me. Inconvenient it is to go to the supermarket. It's also like, there's like a lightning storm, or thunderstorm, sorry. Yeah, the supermarket is like 2 buildings away. Yep, they're stocking up. Everybody is, I bet. Alright, let's do this. Alright. I'm cooking in the middle of a thunderstorm. Bolognese again, not the coffee. But yeah, it's a nice stormy Sunday night. Had a nice nap, a big lunch, and just getting some cooking in now.